Today we're looking at something that feels less like a motorcycle and more like a full touring lifestyle machine, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Camper Trike concept. Even the name itself sounds ambitious, and honestly, that's exactly what this machine is all about. Turning long-distance riding into something closer to traveling with your own compact, self-contained living space. If you've ever thought the traditional touring bike was already the peak of comfort, this takes that idea and pushes it into a completely different category. At its core, the Goldwing has always been Honda's flagship touring motorcycle, known for smooth power delivery, legendary comfort, and long-haul reliability. In trike form, it becomes even more stable and accessible, especially for riders who want touring comfort without the balance demands of a two-wheel machine. The camper version builds on that foundation by integrating storage, sleeping capability, and extended travel practicality into the design, essentially transforming the bike into a micro RV on three wheels. From the outside, the first thing that stands out is the sheer presence of the machine. The front retains the iconic Goldwing styling, wide fairing, aggressive LED lighting, and aerodynamic shaping, but everything flows into a much more extended rear structure. The Trike conversion adds a widened rear axle setup, giving it a planted stance on the road. The camper module attached behind or integrated into the rear section is where things get interesting. It's designed not just as storage, but as a compact touring shell that can hold camping gear, luggage, and in some configurations, a fold-out sleeping system. It's not a full-sized RV, of course, but it's engineered for riders who want to travel far without relying on hotels every night. The design philosophy here is balance. Even with added weight and structure, Honda's engineering focus remains on keeping the ride smooth and predictable. The Goldwing's reputation for refined handling is carried over, with a low center of gravity and carefully distributed weight to prevent the trike from feeling top-heavy. The camper unit is designed with lightweight composite materials to avoid dragging down performance more than necessary. Everything is shaped to maintain aerodynamic flow, because at highway speeds, drag is one of the biggest challenges for a touring machine like this. Under the bodywork, the engine remains one of the most important highlights. The Goldwing's flat 6 engine is known for its silk-like smoothness and strong low-end torque. It's not built for aggressive sport riding, instead, it delivers steady, effortless power that makes highway cruising almost relaxing. On a trike setup with camper load, that torque becomes even more valuable, helping the machine pull weight without strain. The transmission, often paired with a dual-clutch automatic system in modern versions, makes long-distance riding even easier, removing the need for constant manual shifting and allowing the rider to focus more on the journey than the mechanics. Performance-wise, what surprises many riders is how composed the Goldwing Trike feels despite its size. Acceleration is smooth rather than explosive, but it's consistent and confidence-inspiring. Highway cruising is where it truly shines. The engine hums at low RPMs, wind protection is excellent, and vibrations are minimal. Even with the added camper module, stability remains a strong point, especially at steady speeds. Cornering on a trike always feels different compared to a two-wheeler, but Honda's suspension tuning helps keep the experience predictable. You don't lean into turns in the traditional sense, but the chassis is designed to hold its line securely without feeling like it wants to drift or wobble. Comfort is where this machine really justifies its concept. The seating position is upright and relaxed, with a plush touring seat that feels more like sitting in a luxury chair than riding a motorcycle. Heated grips, adjustable wind protection, and advanced cruise control systems all contribute to making long rides less physically demanding. For riders covering hundreds of kilometers in a day, these small comfort features become essential rather than optional. The camper aspect adds another layer to the experience. Instead of worrying about packing light or planning accommodation stops, riders can carry more gear and even set up for overnight stays in remote areas. Depending on the configuration, the camper module may include storage compartments, fold-out sleeping space, and even basic utilities like lighting or ventilation. It's designed for convenience rather than luxury camping, but for motorcycle touring enthusiasts, that convenience can completely change how they plan trips. Suddenly, the road itself becomes the destination, not just the route between hotels. Technology also plays a big role in this machine. Modern Goldwings already come loaded with digital instrumentation, infotainment systems, navigation, and smartphone connectivity. In a 2026-oriented setup, you can expect even more integration, likely improved touchscreen responsiveness, voice control features, and enhanced rider assistance systems. Navigation is especially important for long-distance touring, and integrated mapping helps riders plan fuel stops, rest areas, and overnight locations without relying heavily on external devices. Safety features are another key highlight. With the added weight and length of a Trike camper setup, stability control systems become crucial. Advanced ABS, traction control, and hill start assist help manage different riding conditions. Some versions may also include adaptive cruise control and collision warning systems, especially given the increasing trend of automotive-style safety tech entering the motorcycle world. These systems don't replace rider skill, but they add a layer of reassurance, particularly on long highway stretches or in unpredictable weather. One of the most interesting aspects of this concept is how it redefines motorcycle travel culture. Traditionally, motorcycling is about minimalism, packing light, embracing the open road, and adapting to simple conditions. The Goldwing Camper Trike flips that idea by offering comfort, storage, and semi-independent living on the road. It's not trying to replace adventure riding, instead, it creates a different category where comfort and exploration coexist. Riders who may have avoided long-distance touring due to physical strain or logistical concerns suddenly find a new way to experience travel. Of course, there are trade-offs. The added weight and size mean it's not as agile as a standard motorcycle. Urban riding becomes more challenging, parking requires more space, and tight mountain roads demand careful handling. Fuel efficiency is also impacted by the Trike conversion and camper load. But for the target audience, long-distance touring enthusiasts, these compromises are often acceptable in exchange for comfort and capability. Another important point is customization. One of the reasons Goldwing Trikes are popular in the touring community is the huge aftermarket support. Camper modules, luggage systems, lighting upgrades, and comfort accessories can all be tailored to the rider's needs. Some riders might prioritize luxury and install more advanced sleeping setups, while others might focus on lightweight storage and practical touring gear. This flexibility makes the platform adaptable to different travel styles. On the road, the overall riding experience is surprisingly calm. There's a sense of control and stability that makes long journeys less tiring. The wind protection reduces fatigue, the seat cushioning supports long hours of riding, and the engine's smooth character ensures the bike never feels stressed. Even after several hours on the highway, riders are less likely to feel the physical exhaustion that often comes with traditional motorcycles. In terms of unique selling points, the biggest one is obvious: it's not just a motorcycle, and it's not quite a camper van either, it's a hybrid touring solution. That combination alone sets it apart in a niche but growing segment of adventure tourism. Riders who want independence without sacrificing riding experience will find this concept especially appealing. The ability to travel, camp, and ride all in one integrated system is what makes it stand out. Looking at the broader picture, machines like this reflect how motorcycle touring is evolving. Riders are no longer limited to either hardcore minimalist travel or full-size RV comfort. There's a middle ground emerging, where motorcycles become more versatile, more comfortable, and more self-sufficient. The Goldwing Camper Trike sits right in that transition space, showing what the future of long-distance riding could look like. At the end of the day, this machine is about freedom, but a more comfortable, more structured version of it. It's for riders who still want the connection to the road, the feel of open-air travel, and the rhythm of